What's up everybody? The wig I'm using today is from RuiYu hair, so let's get started. I'm going to start off by measuring the amount of parting space on this wig. So you get about 4 inches of parting space. For this particular wig, I'm going to be doing a diamond cut style. Now this is a diamond cut style that I used to do like back in the day. It's really simple, it's a quick style. So I'm going to go ahead and use a hot comb to straighten out the roots and get a more sleeker look. So now that I have smoothed out the roots, I'm going to go ahead and put the hair into a ponytail. Now this wig is not secured down, so I'm not really tying the rubber band too tight, but just enough to secure a ponytail. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So to jazz up the style a little bit, I'm going to use these gold clamps that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm going to place them right on the 2 ponytails. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of foundation to emphasize the part, and then I'm also going to work a little bit on the hairline. Now I did not do any plucking to this hairline, but I am going to swoop in those edges so that it gives a more natural look. Now the hair is on a loose wave texture, so I really want my waves to be super duper defined on this style. So I'm going to be using my crimping iron that is from Ion. I got this from Sally's and I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to be taking sections of the hair and just crimping the hair. I honestly appreciate, wig companies now stepping their lace game up. The simple fact that this wig allows me to part my hair on the side and I get a lot of parting space is what I really do love about this wig. So this is pretty much the final look to this style. It's super simple, super cute, and easy to create on your lace frontal wig. If you decide to try out this super cute, fun hairstyle, definitely make sure you let me know below in the comments, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you recreate this look. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.